bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my back, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Christmas is coming, yeah. Start sending your letters off to Santa. Christmas is coming, yeah. Better be nice if you want your present. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Staying up late looking out the window, yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah. Spotting some sleigh rides and some jingle bells. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Roasting some chestnuts on the fire, yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah. Celebration and surprises. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Ooh, yeah. Tell all your brothers, sisters, and mama and papa too. Oh yeah.
Well, spread my legs and stuff me with breadcrumbs. It's the Road Dog Crypto Show. Oh, there's a button. I was supposed to find the button. Oh, man, dang it. Every time I get distracted. He mean mugging me. You can't see. You can't see. I'm in the production booth looking at his ugly mug. He's shaking his fist at me right now, saying, looks like he's mouthing it right now. Put the button, Sean. Dang it, Sean. He's being mean. Hey, yeah, his mic ain't live yet. Oh, shoot. I got to test his mic, too. Gosh darn it. Oh, mine's live. Oh. Hello. I'm just kidding. Where's the button? For real. I'm about to give up on this button thing. He's mad too. But I like this song. Oh God, there he is. Hey, I'm working on it. It's stuck. Somebody spilled honey on it or something. Just going back. Sit down. I got it. We're good. Well, like me bearing to do you anyway, turkey breath. All right, ready? Go ahead, test your microphone out there. Testing 1, 2. He thinks he's Batman. I don't know. Just go, Sean. Say he ain't Batman. All right. You ready, right? Yes, Sean. Continue. The button, Sean. He's so picky about that button. All right, I'm gonna sign off.
For those of you out there that have hitting that like button, I sincerely thank you very much.
Without further delay, I'm speaking turkey tonight. Without further delay, welcome everyone. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. However you celebrate this season of love and season of giving. Time to focus, well, on the things that really matter. Your source. Always good way to start there. How you express your source. Jesus is the reason for the season in my family. And happy holidays. And what is this market doing? Are we getting a little bit of a rally? Man, I sound loud. Sean, you got me turned up a little bit tonight. What's going on here? Does it sound okay? Is the mic on? That would not be good, Sean. Well, welcome to our dysfunctional family here. Just me and the voices in my head tonight with ya. I was watching Bitcoin doing what we had hoped. If we zoom out, we connected the lines, the power of the trend lines. Looks better on the daily. The power of the trend lines when you connect the dots there. And then you get your trend line, and that's where we broke out, and we're doing a retest. We tested that area a couple of times there, but this one looks like it is sticking pretty good. We hope anyway, right? But in my personal opinion, that seems to be what we're doing. Wow, I sound loud tonight. Does the sound okay? We pull up the chat, say hello to everybody. How's it going? Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Merry Kwanzaa. We are going, right? My tablet does not seem to be finding us. And do I have anything from the chat? Let me see. We got Tommy 2 liters. There we go. Maurice Del Taco. How's it going? I guess we're going backwards to see what's going on. We got Joe from Trade Intuition. How's it going, Joe? Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays. Scarecrow 77, Ave Medina, Dave P. Random Trader, Fracas Adventures, Chris Klein, Duality Crypto. I see you guys there. I can never say that right, but it's Kalikimaka, all right? Melikalikimaka. Floki. Well, guys, this is a great sign that we can actually maybe work our way out of here. But there's something I was looking at over here. We're not quite out of the woods yet. Now we still got this 50 moving average to contend with, which is, you know, intent on crossing the 200. They're having words right now. You know, I don't know. This part of the family did get together. I guess somebody said something somewhere. Somebody's, I don't know. Way back when, don't matter now, something, I don't know. But they're kind of button heads, but they haven't crossed yet. So they're just kind of, you know, there's gotta kind of facing off just a little bit, just kind of mansplaining things away or something. So there's some resistance ahead. I don't know. It would be really cool if we can just jump over it and just keep on going. Let bygones be bygones, and let's just go forward and everybody start making money and be happy. That's the logical thing to do at this point in time. Wouldn't you agree at this season? So if there's anything that I would hope for is that mean 50 moving average that's coming down here would see the wrong in its ways and just start coming right back up here and turn around. And the other guys would say, hey man, look, 50 turn around. We're free now. And they can come back up. A little scaredy cats that they were anyway, you know. Meanwhile, you know, Bitcoin price just like, what y'all been just talking about? She's just going on because that's what Bitcoin does. Could we say something like that? That's the Merry Christmas I'm looking for. How about you guys? Bitcoin do what Bitcoin want to do, but anyway, there might be some resistance there. That would be the hopeful scenario. The other one is that, man, I don't know. Maybe we don't handle that as good as we should. Maybe we need to come down here and learn a lesson or two. We get that old bathroom wall, that inverted, that thingamajiggy thingy pattern. That maybe that's what we're setting up for. Just give it the old middle finger here at the holidays. That just doesn't sound very. Nah, it's not very Christmassy. Like, that's not cool, Bitcoin. We don't want to do that now, do we? First scenario is the one that I vote with. Hey, can I get a show of 111s in the chat for anybody that might also agree with that? Can we take a consensus here? Can we get a vote and see if we can persuade Bitcoin to argue number one that, hey, let's go up and let's all get rich, maybe. Let's just lay it on the table. I'm just saying, Bitcoin, you know, if you go up, I mean, everybody goes up with you. It's just going to be, man, if you're a politician, this is your move to make, man. I'm just saying, this is it. Just own it. Just own it, Bitcoin, right now. Just own it. This is your moment to shine. On Christmas? Are you kidding me, Bitcoin? On Christmas, you started out epic. That is like on Christmas. That is like, F you. To all that globalist nonsense. That all you need to hear, Bitcoin? But at last, you must realize that there is always the resistance. There is always the resistance. And that resistance is not only this trend line here. We connect from candle bodies over here to other candle bodies, and we copy that little that and look for a channel idea. And oh gosh darn it! Look what we doing, man. Yeah, forget this guy. That's what the thing is. Kind of zoom out a little bit and I don't know, and peep some of these other things out. It was cool. We got support over here. That's what we wanted. We needed that. We do have a little double bottom type formation there, a W formation there. It resembles very much an Adam and Eve double bottom. That's applicable to work. Look here, the support level. On a local paddle, we can do that. Price is coming down into it. Makes sense. But this trend line here, we got a couple of options. Either we get like super bullish and just turn things around like scenario number one. Remember that? Type 111 if you're for scenario number one. If you're voting for scenario number one, you must type 111 in the chat. Votes will be tallied at the end of the program. Thank you very, very much. Or will we come back and we'll do that? Scenario B, incredible shoulder, head and shoulder, dingle pattern. Give me a number 2 if you believe in the old dingle. We need that dingle emoji, don't we? Or I guess a 333 if there's another way. That's Carly Kears. A backflip and to the upside. I like it. I give it an 8.5. That was totally awesome though. Did you not see that? Do you not agree? I thought so too. Really? Amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, can we see what's going on with our altcoins? Because Bitcoin seems to be happy, so altcoins might also be happy as well, right? Well, if we take a look over here at total 3, right behind my turkey ears, I'm cutting off my turkey face. What happened? That's not supposed to happen. Anyway, we also got this line of support we were tracking here from something else, a bigger pattern here, and mounts up. Seems like it's holding it again, but we still have areas that we got to work through. But that's cool. We're making some nice little bottom shapes here. See all these wicks coming up? That's some support, baby. That's like, ooh, we're gonna make sure them puppies are perky. Yeah, well, we got that support for you, baby, all day long. Hey, man, ladies, I'm just telling you. As a man, I would support you all day long. I'm just saying. And anyway, the turkey has spoken. The turkey's alive wired tonight. What would you do if you opened the refrigerator and you saw yourself sitting there? I mean, that's just an existential moment. And that's just it. You just have to go, WTF is this? Throw some googly eyes on it. Make a statement. So it looks like we can have at least a few days of maybe a little uppiness and celebration while everybody's just off on the holidays, you know, because a lot of people around the world celebrate the holidays. A lot of people around the world also like crypto now, and a lot of people around the world can say, hey, show me, how do you buy that there Bitcoin? You got any of that Shiba Inu? You want to show me how to get some? I don't know. Maybe we'll see some of that. It's well overdue for that kind of stuff to be happening. Not saying that's going to carry our entire market, but who knows? Some of these altcoins looking good. It's looking good for altcoins as long as Bitcoin dominance behaves. That's the one we got to watch out for, is Bitcoin dominance. Look at Bitcoin dominance. It's already acting up. Already starting to act a fool. That's the one you gotta watch, man. I'm telling you. Bitcoin dominance. Now, this is not a trend line, although I will not complain if it acts as resistance. So I'm just going to keep it up there just for meanness. Can we all agree? I'm just going to keep it up there for meanness, but it's not up there for, it was like a, I think a AB, it says some kind of move thing. Actually, let's see. Our bigger moving averages are actually on the positive side. You know, they got some positive momentum that could happen here. I still see a possibility for a strong Bitcoin dominance, but as long as we may be establishing a downtrend on that, and if we are, man, that's good for altcoins. This may just be temporary, and we can roll over. That's what needs to happen for us to really see those altcoins, you know, kind of play like they did the last few days or the last few weeks ago, when everybody was happy, saying, "Oh man, this is wonderful." Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a little Santa rally. Let's enjoy it while it lasts, and if you needed to take some profits, this is definitely a good time to think about doing that. Ho ho ho! Look what Santa brought us this Christmas. I hope that is a dream coming true. For a lot of you. Uh-oh, Bullish on Parade says, no. Merry Christmas, everyone. Dog, I got some issues. MEXC froze my account. I can only withdraw tokens. Do you have MEXC? If so, I'll message you on the Telegram group. I had one. I got out of them a long time ago when they were talking about, you know, you have to withdraw. And yeah, that was the case then. But I've seen a lot of people still trade there, so I don't know if they just relaxed on, you know, enforcing that. But yeah, I moved everything over to another exchange a while back. But you should be able to, you know, you should never have a problem withdrawing whatever you got on there. That's usually never an issue, as long as you got enough gas in that token thing. Well, you have to, on whatever their minimum dust amount is. There's always usually some little dust that you can't exactly get off, so you just gotta get used to that. Usually no biggie. That's why you need several exchanges. I guess I should do a plug for one. They are in the description below, and I don't know. I didn't really try to do this to plug anything, but I do have BitUnix, which I like those guys, and they're growing. A lot of people are starting to talk about BitUnix right now. That's cool. We've been with them for a while. Crypto.com. Uh-oh, my little timer's going off. What have we done? What have we done? Look at all the 111s we got. Trade Intuition, Duality Crypto, Sub. Tommy 2 liters. I can make a dingo dango emoji. What the words were battered. Wait, Joe is good for that. Shout out for Joe for the emojis that we got, man. He just made them up, man. Just is it here? Dang, that's kind of cool. Chris Collide, can we look at Pirate Nation token, Cake, XRP, Doge? I can try. I can't guarantee. How much time we got? I got the blabbing. And that's crazy because in my real life, man, I hardly talk. Like, He's a statue. No, seriously, he didn't move. Is he moved? Is that what it is? You don't. Can you hear? Can you hear me? Oh, he seems like he's intelligent. Kinda. I mean, he doesn't think he's a muskrat or anything, does he? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I forgot where I am. We were getting lost in our head. Set my little timer here. Let's come back down to reality. Hey, Brackish, what's going on, buddy? Francis, how's it going? Such entertaining channel to watch. You're highly underrated, my friend. Thank you very much. Look at all them emojis. All right, dude. Where'd you go, man? All right. What we got? Doge. I don't know about Pirate Nation. I'll see if I can. Let's take a look at Solana. Holy crap, what is this? What is this mess? Is Adam and Beaver? Oh, that looks like a Beaver Cleaver if I've ever seen one. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it looks like we're trying to confirm this possible Adam and Eve double bottom formation here. She confirms she can also top out over here. Just gotta say it because sometimes they do that. She can also continue, I think, to 209. We just dissected the crap out of you, didn't we? We're micromanaging Solana here down to like every $10, it looks like. The real sweet spot, if you a little patient, is for us to come back up to these areas here about 230 and 245. That's another 20% there. And that might be just where the party starts. When you zoom out and look at the possibilities there. This is the sweet spot, sweet bottoms, baby, where you want to accumulate. Yeah, it's a double bottom for a reason. As people packing their bags, getting ready for much bigger prices coming up in the springtime. When the weather's gonna be getting cold, baby, they're gonna be packing their bags and they're gonna be selling for the sunny skies. Solana, fly Solana for your vacation. VIP lounge cost extra. We've got a trade set. Oh, we do have a trade setup going on. It seems to be doing quite okay. From whatever I can remember for it, so we'll just go from there. I'm position trading this one, so I've been working this baby for a minute. It's up about 8%. So if you were trying to, if you're a bottom feeder, kind of like, I kind of like a bottom feed and try to get these little areas. If you're familiar with these type of patterns and if they're forming, you want to take a chance and maybe you see there was usually another kind of pattern within patterns you can look for. This one has an inverted head and shoulders on the bottom of this bigger thing. You can make these little bottom feeder type buys there. Me likes it. I kind of go for that kind of things because I like to ride things up from bottoms. Let's just, yep, giddy up, baby. And then I can't say that I can sell the tops or anything, but I do like to get where I can take some good profit along the way and stash some back for that little time about a year from now when you and everybody you know, and if you're new, or you and your brothers, let's just not say you, let's just say, because y'all smarter. But when everybody else around us is just going, let's just be real, batshit crazy, yeah. And they're like, honey, what do you think about this brand new in-your coin, this new AI meme coin? I mean, have you seen what's boogieing today? Have you seen what's popular? What's up on the week is this is where we are, ladies and gentlemen, right now. I mean, the craziness has not started. It has not started yet. You may have a cartoon series started about you. That is what I would predict. And we got this one, which, you know, my takeaway from it, I cannot remember. Now I have to take another look, but I thought, oh, you're just another VC saturated project. Crazy how that they do good for a while, doesn't it? I mean, there's a wave to ride. That waves would have crashed sometime, though. They usually always do. In the most fantastical kinds of ways. Fantastical. Hello, boys and girls. How we doing? Hello, everybody. Merry Christmas. I can't say that enough. Happy holidays. However you celebrate this time of year. That should be easy. That should rectify. I would just reboot. Billy C says, give me that magic, give me that love, Billy. There you go, baby. There you go. Cowbell. All right, I think we took a look at Solana. We got Ronan. Microphone, you're like in my face, man. Why are you in my face? Microphone, why you're in my face? Is afraid of the microphone. Ronan Tether. Sounds like a great novel. I would read it if I were locked away in a county jail somewhere. We seem to be making a few higher highs. Woo! Fried turkey is what I heard was on the menu. So this is what it acts like before the execution day. I'm just saying, what do you expect? Woo! Looks like we're bouncing off that 200 daily moving average on Ronin, so I gotta give you a thumbs up here. It looks like you're trying to get your things, your life and your direction in order. You got your foot firmly on the ground there, and you're ready to take the bull by the horn of this and say, baby, I'm effing this goat now, baby. Yeah, Mac. Can he say that? He said it. Oh, God. You just got to take life by the horns, ladies and gentlemen. Don't look at me that way. Y'all, half of y'all thinking about taking my legs. and doing nefarious things to them. The turkey knows people, and the perp people know turkey. We got some good things going on here with Rodin. I like what we could be doing. I've been looking for this 288 area to be hit, or anything kind of local, but that 376 is that sweet spot that I think is worth holding on for. I mean, you're buying down here, man. Great. Go get the gains. Get them, baby. Get them, baby. Was there an echo? An echo? An echo? An echo? Take a look at cake. Make cake. Oh, look at you, cake. You're on discount right now. You're really testing these areas. I can see that. You got a little too far away from the family over here. You had to pull you back in for the holidays. That's what it is. We kind of meet and greet and everything. Get back in touch base one more time. Hey. And yeah, we should be. To me, I think it has a good possibility of recovering from here with a nice quick recovery to continue this curve that way. I think Kate's a good, pretty good price. If you defibrillate it, that's a new word. We're just throwing that out there to sound big. We're going to defibrillate it. Ha ha ha. This turkey just got the yawns, like for real, for real. What time is it? Goodness gracious, Helen. Santa Claus is going to be coming soon. Man, I'm supposed to have that pulled up, but somebody got lazy. Hey, I like this trend line. It seems to be holding. Let's cross our fingers, hope that it does. We covered this area, and that little 786 was a nice little area to bounce, and we can just go along our little merry little jingle way to some higher areas. Turkey is getting, oh man, my apologies. They're putting the sleepy dust that's in the air. Overall, it's a channel, and when you look for any kind of bottoming patterns within that channel, you do have one inverted head and shoulders. Well, this little puppy's getting ready to do something the puppies like to do, and that looks like it wants to rumble up to about $8.86. By our guesstimation. Hello. Billy C, how's it going? Bullish on Parade. Avi Medina, Francis Hassan, Random Trader. Fix your VPN and make C will work fine. I believe so. Sam, DP. Oh, mercy, mercy, mercy me. Things ain't like they used to be. Oh, he disappeared. He had to go take a yawn. Santa must be on its way. Hello? Hello? Am I the only one here right now? Hello, anybody? Oh, thank God there's somebody there. Hey! I don't know. It's just kind of dark in this crowd. I am the voice of Chris's reason, apparently, at this present moment. Dang it, Sean. Dang it, Sean. Dang it, Sean. Oh, crap. Oh, they're coming too. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, we got turkey. Oh, we got fried turkey tonight. Yes, lots of turkey tonight. Turkey is definitely here tonight. It is 11 to 7 Eastern Standard Time, and my goodness. Wow. Time, you're working kind of normal or kind of cool right now. Time. We're doing pretty good. Did we take a look at XRP? XRP. I guess Taylor over here on Binance. Look at you, XRP. How are you doing? Flirting up here? Flirting with the fibs. Oh, we did pull up. What are we doing with the fib? Oh, we were. Yeah, she touched our 382s. Respecting our 382s here on our fibs. I think that's why we had them up here. Kind of gauge how I was going to do here. Because that could be a big ass move coming for what was this, XRP? Crazy as it is to say, crazy as it is to say that, but he's respecting this 382. Then, ooh, I mean the move. I mean it could. Hello, 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 Santa, is that you? I know where you live. Quentin Tarantino, that was not funny, my man. Sorry about that glitter thing then. Yeah. My bad. Can we please get over it? Can we please? It's been 7 years, Quentin. Come on, man. Really? 7 years. It's the season for forgiving, Quentin. I'm just saying. Yeah, it looks like we're going sideways for XRP, and we'll might continue to do so until it decides, hey, just to smoke everybody's ass and start going up. It just looks like it's what it wants to do overall. It does. I'm just being honest. Maybe everybody's right about this one, and they'll say, see, I told you it was XRP. It's really the mark of the beast. I don't know. I don't know. Is it? Well, I don't know what's going on with it, but it's a something, and it might be doing something more. And if you've had some and still got some and believed in it, you're probably saying, yeah. Took almost 10 years, but I told you. Almost 10 years, but I told you. Yeah. And it's doing good. And it has earned its right in crypto history, man, because it led the way. So respect to XRP. XRP going to do something big. It seemed to be one of the chosen ones. So might a few others. Let's take a look at Doji. Now she seems to be bouncing off of a 382 Fibonacci area here quite nicely. That little rooster tail, as I'll call it, because I have no other name other than just a big wick. And if I say that too much, so that says, hey, just Helen, he keeps talking about big wicks and things. It just sounds obscene. So when I call it with Rooster Tail, and everybody's like, well, what the hell is he talking about now? You can't win. You can't win, algorithm. There's no way to win. I give up. Love you. Peace, love. Always. Dogecoin sitting here, 33 cents. Man, there ain't nothing to complain about there. Now we're in the middle of an obnoxious green cloud. Not cool, I agree. Could go either way right now. I'm just being honest with you. It depends on how you treat it right now. And I just gonna be honest with you. Guys usually mess this up no matter what they do. They just usually screw it up. I'm just saying. Can you bounce off of here? Maybe. I see good things coming for Dogecoin. We got some support right here. Some support. Go up. Well, crap. Racker says, Hammer Dog. Your dog feels kind of healthy. It was something he ate. Merry Christmas, everybody. 11/11, Sam. Time is on my side. Yes. Yes, it is. So, Sam, how's it going? Happy holidays, everybody. Glittery Marshmallow. Merry Christmas. It's cool to hang out with you guys tonight. If you got any requests, if I missed anything, let me go ahead and put my little marker in. I do feel a little celebratory, so that's your forewarning. Well, this is Crypto Opinion. From a turkey on the internet. I mean, come on, how does that even sound? Like, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I sold the whole house because the turkey said, son, you mean to be telling me you spent your whole life fortune on the advice of a turkey on the internet? It only sounds stupid when you say it. Son, we gonna go get DNA tested right now. Whoa, what's that? Oh my gosh. Are we in danger here in this green cloud? No, we got some support there, really. We can get out of this. Is there any magic form? You got some support down here. Yeah, also, that's not a great. I could do better on my angle. Oh, that's better. And you got some support down here too, just in case she falls. But that's a great start, man. Even she might retest some of these other areas at 30 cents, but no, it's a good start. Getting ready to see some improvements and some good old altcoins in my personal opinions there. We got Total 3 getting that nice little bounce. Remember. That's a good time to pay yourself. But we also got this horizontal line there too. It's going to bounce up and it's a breakout. So we could just be on our little merry way into the new year until they want to dump on us. Probably about the end of Christmas. I don't know. Do they want to run prices up and then dump because we tax loss harvesting? Because where would the loss be? Dump before, just continue crashing. So far, there's a lot of support. But if we get rejected there, that might be a scenario where they might take us down for a smaller dip to retest this. Remember this area here that was resistance? We hadn't quite really dealt with any issues there. This has held so far. I can't guarantee it, but I mean, if you're asking me a possibility what I think could happen, I could see where something like that could happen. Depends on what Bitcoin dominance will do. Gotta watch Bitcoin dominance. If it gets strong, that might happen. So it's a good time to just make sure that you're, you know, if you're up, peel a little off every now and then. Happy holidays, everybody. I think I got it. I did have a list of some that I wanted to take a look at. Some of those revenue sharing coins that some bigger money will be looking at and starting to pour into. Now we know Aave has been what we looked at for a while. I've always been a big fan, and I like Aave, and this is what she's doing right now. This was the one I think is excellent for a long-term play, and that's why I wanted her down here. So sexy Aave, blasting through everything we looked at so far. It's been a while on this one since we looked at it. Way back in 2023. Let's clear all this out. Boom. See how she's doing now. Swing gotta swing low. Tell me where Aave is going to go. She's got a little gas left in the tank to get to $430. Sweet Aave. There's a microphone in your face. What? It's got the fuzzies. The microphone has the fuzzies. All right. Nice little parabolic move going on here. Best drawn from here, I believe. It's got a good chance of keeping that up. This little Ethereum lending product, real world use case in the financial exchange of things, is, I think, a good one to make sure you're in. And still, even at 368, I don't think it's too early or too late to see maybe 4, 5, 6x gains left on it. Somewhere by or a little before this time next year. That's a nice little trust fund to pull some tethers off on, or some Bitcoins off of. Whichever seems the most suitable. Hola, everybody. Stablecoins are useful sometimes. Yes, they are. Second request, mobile. Let's take a look at mobile. MRBLE. Mobile. Well, here we are on Coinbase, kind of still down on the lows on the bottom. If you had to ask me, we're kind of doing a little butt cheek kind of action there. We got some old news up here, but it still looks like it's valid. But let's just clear it out just to take a little gander. Yeah, we're still rounding out here. Still hadn't got over your daily, what is it, 200 moving average quite yet. Looks like you're trying though. First stages of that. It can only get better from here, son. It can only get better from here. If this is the one you want to go with, then you just latch in and you hope and you latch in, you pray for the best, and you just step in there and you ride that puppy for all she's worth. You know, woo! And we've got Christmas music. Oh my gosh. Hey, the good news is in a couple of days, we don't have to hear Christmas music anymore unless your radio station really sucks and just forgets to turn it off. That would be crazy. That happens, doesn't it? Somebody in management needs to be called. Oh my gosh, watch me leave stuff on. I want to be that crazy 90s corny local cable show. Oh! Are we getting a bounce? Are we getting a bounce? It looks like we're getting a bounce here on the daily. That could be nice here. Well, looks like you got some legs here. You got some stuff to work on. I'm going to give it to you. You got some stuff to work on, Helium. You got some stuff to work on, 0.00114, but you can be going up. The biggest places you want to look is back up where you've been, 0.002, and then above. I mean, you want to get paid on this, right? It'll have it today. It will. But I always do. And it could even get a lot higher than what it's showing us right now. Not to try to lead you on, but you don't know how crazy this gets, and something associated with helium like that. They can do some good hypes and everything. And this one, I think, actually, you know, it's actually got a use case that might catch on. So 0.0087, 0.0078 are great areas to look for if you want a little moon target. What we are in is a accumulation zone, in my personal opinion, by my analysis, paralysis, whatever. Let's do the bookie wookie analysis. These are the best areas to accumulate, in my personal opinion, and then you just wait for the bigger moves. Might be a slower play, but sometimes we can see she gets big pumps up. Depends on what's going on. If you got it on an exchange, you can just set some limit orders if you're patient and do that, but it's easier said than done sometimes. As time goes by and you forget your intentions or something creeps in to kind of screw up your original plans. Usually how things work out in real life, just to be honest. Unless you stay true and stay up in your game. I think AI would be helpful for some of these things, helping to program some wallets and things like that. That would be a cool use. They probably got something like that going on. I just don't know about it. You're a boomer. I'm a turkey. Helium. She looks like she's trying. Let's cheer her on. If she's doing what she wants to be doing, she's trying to fly. She's got something like this going on, right? Let us not stand in their way. Run, Helium, run! You can do it! Run! Let's do it! This music is groovy. Hey, Mr. Miles. Did I see Mr. Miles' name? Yeah, hey, Mr. Miles. What's up, Mr. Miles? How's it going? Looks like Casper Bitcoin is at an important range, though, so here's hoping. How's Casper Bitcoin? Bitcoin is gonna have an effect on everything. I think I did on CoINEX. We looked at here. Oh, okay. It's been a minute. Yeah, it's still in a range. So I've got bottom here. I don't know why I have bottom here. Is this the bottom? I don't know, because I'm so ambiguous. I don't. Look, we called the bottom. Hey, I can say I called a bottom. Look, there's a bottom. Look at this bottom. Look, there's her bottom. Oh, excuse me. Hey, Turkey's getting sleepy. Let's hope that the brakes start and something happens here. she's at a great place to find support and to turn things around. Let's do that, Casper, against Bitcoin. That means, Casper, you need to start straightening up your life. You need to get yourself together this Christmas, girl. Come on. You can do better than this. What you've been doing, you're worth more than this. Let's go. Let's pick things up. Let's bring ourselves up together. Let's move forward, baby. Oh! So I like this area right here. That looks like where things can kind of start turning around. That's cool. Where did you go, Marker? Right here, right here, right here. Boom. It'll be rocky at first, though. It always is. There we go. Well, that little fallback. Here we go. We'll start seeing some improvement. It takes a little time, especially when it comes to a lot of these altcoins. Because it all depends on the Big Daddy Bitcoin. You gotta look to the Big Daddy. The Big Daddy is where the answer lies. Oh, darn. Thank you very much, Billy C. Thank you for all you do and the education. Enjoy your day tomorrow. Also, nice round bottom. Thank you very much. I've been working on it. I've been working out that one. Yeah. Thank you for noticing. That does mean a lot. Thank you so much for the $20 super chat. That Merry Christmas. Wow. That deserves. Hey. Where's all the fun stuff? We have fun stuff. We have moon rockets and fireworks. Thank you very much. There's a number 1. Does that mean the first ever? That's cool. I think that's what that means. I don't know. A like. I'll add it. That gets. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Let's celebrate the first super chat. Yeah, let's celebrate. I did not know that. Or that was true. Well, I tell you what I should do. Where's to drag out a little hopium? We should probably get the bear out because, well, cute as he is, these kind of things scare things away, and start looking for things that's got some legs. Oh, that's not right. Okay, that didn't work. That's probably cool. We still got the banana out there because we're still watching for this banana zone to come because it's on its way. But Mr. Banana be dancing with us a while. Santa may not. He's got stuff to do tonight. I guess we got Miss Donna over here. I got no other name for you right now. Miss Donna, lady in red. Who else can we bring it out? Did we not have? I guess we do not have. That makes me so sad. Cassie is too good. I look extremely tan tonight. I think I have been secretly radiated, like in preparation for a dinner I've been invited to tomorrow day. I feel like I get kind of weird vibes for some reason. It's one of those special things where you have to dress up a certain way or something, and it sounds groovy. Gravy, something. It sounds kind of, I don't know. It's for some reason it's enticing, but I feel like there's something saying, you shouldn't do it. You shouldn't do it. Man, you shouldn't do it. oh man, it's wrong to do it. And I don't know. It's just saying, hey man, it's just that time, man. It's all gravy. And hey, here. Happy holidays, DP. Bottoms up. Yes, sir. Thank you again for that super chat. Thank you very much. I think that deserves another round of applause. Anna Shakira girl. I give you accolades and my Shakira. Shakira, you go with him now. But Papa. No, Shakira, you must complete the deal. No, but Papa. Shakira. It is the way of our people. That's misogynistic. But Shakira. We are not having this discussion right now. Alrighty. I'm sorry we tuned into some weird channel there. Okay, let's move on. Oh my gosh, hey, did I miss some of these? Glittering marshmallow, hey, thank you very much. I learned, wait a minute, I can't read because this annoying little box keeps up there. Not your box, but this box. I am learning, and this was the teacher checking my work. Hey, cool. If I am helpful any at all, that's very much an honor. That's all we really kind of set out to do. Trying to like that. Thank you. Sam Casper, is that the meme? Goodness. Laugh mean. How is Casper? Your microphone is in my way. How's Casper doing normally? Casper, I believe in you. Casper been under the weather, yo, but she be fighting it. She's doing something now. This looks like a distribution almost. I don't know much. Any secrets to tell a distribution between that or just a reaccumulation? To be honest, you know, you look for patterns that tops would form at tops, and you can make some arguments that there's some form in there that, you know, we could be. There's our arguments that it could just really come down here. And that doesn't really make sense for what it is and what it can do and everything. And was there some kind of really deep, some faulty just breach or something in the software or something? There's usually not too much that can tank one like that. A lot of it has to be done with it just having too damn many coins. I've said that from the start. Too damn many coins. This is what you get. You get moments of all of this where it's just They all went through it. XRP went through all this. I just remember they had a bunch of coins. It's like they're good when they're hyped up, and then everybody's chasing them, and then you're just caught in this range, and you're like, with hope, like, well, and it will eventually. It will. But get ready for a bunch of this crap. I'm just saying. This is what you put in your wallet for the back burner. I'm afraid to say. I mean, well, I've kind of felt that way for a while. But I thought I'd play it on margin and see what we could do there. Man, jeez. You have been a lackluster margin play, I must say, Casper. And you're naughty. You're a naughty one. You almost give Daddy a heart attack. Shame on you, Casper. This one right here. Now we're gonna have to have a talking with it. I'm sorry. It is time. I know it's Christmas and everything. 21 beautiful people. Thank you for being here with me this Christmas Eve day. It's almost Christmas. We're together. That's awesome. This is an intervention, Casper, and it's time. Casper, you've been playing around too long. I'm just gonna call it what it is. You need to get your act together, girl. This is bullshit. What the hell? What are you thinking? Come on now, people depending on you, people believe in you. You need to get it together now. You better than this. You stronger than this, you beautiful. You can do this. Gosh darn it, people like you. All that good shit. Now just go. Come on, people wait on you. What are you doing? I can't tell you how many moments you had to shine, but no. You got to go back. You got to get a taste of that lower stuff. You and that down there, where you came from. Trying to get you away from there, girl. Come on, let's go. You better than this. Come on, let's get up. Pack on up. Let's go. Why you always got to hit rock bottom before you figure that out, baby? Let's go. Come on. You know. Come on, Big Daddy Sweet Bottoms right here. Take care of you. We'll get you back up here anyway. Up here, you get up here. You figure out what you want to do on your own. But hopefully it ain't something down there. Come on, girl. Let's pick it up now. Come on. You can do this. I believe in you. The whole world believes in you. You below trend right now. You need to pick it up though. You can do it. You can pick it. Believes in yourself, Casper. I know it feels like there's a heavy weight on you, girl. But come on. You got it. You got it. Look at it. You can turn this around. You tell me to turn lemonade. No, baby, you turn that lemonade. You just let it sour up a little bit. You let it ferment, baby, and then you like that lemonade. That lemonade good. You keep on talking, baby. What are you saying? I see what you're doing. Casper. No. Oh my God. Oh, Mo, no. I'm so sorry. Hide the kids. I'm so sorry that you had to discover this here on the Road Dog Crypto Show. My apologies, ladies and gentlemen. My apologies. Are they gone? Peep this, Joe. Right here's what Cass was doing. She didn't want to tell anybody. This is what's going on the side. I'm going to tell you. Everybody, the kids locked away, right? I'm going to tell you the truth now. I'm going to tell you the truth. 21 people, y'all here because you want to hear the truth. Cass before the streets. For real, you heard it here, man. I'm just being real with you. Cass before the streets. She's just like the street. Look, I know. Now I'm not saying that she can't do something. She can be the high class. She need to go bigger. But what she need to do is, here at 11 cents. Come on now, Casper. Ain't no reason to do this. Y'all see? Do I have to spell this out for y'all? Y'all not see that little stiletto heel right here? Right here. You see what that's leading up to? That's a big old Casper thigh bone. I know you don't recognize. Here, let me make this better for you. Daddy got you. Daddy got you, baby. We go Casper Green. Woo! Like though. Hey, you seen Wicked? I hadn't seen the movie, but I've seen the play. Do you seen Judy Garland in the shower? Oh my God. Let us know. Oh, well, are you sure? Oh, Jesus. Well, this is what Casper's been doing. She been hiding it, y'all. She been hiding it. I'm just saying, that's just what's been going on inside. Woo, that shit got spread a lot. Look how wide that got. Woo. That's some wide cheek spreading right there from this last little leg and heel right spike there. That's I'm sorry to be the one to tell it to you, but I am the chart reader, and that's what the charts are telling me. Casper's been throwing it out there. And she like it down there, and she like it dirty, and she got to get it out of her system or something. I don't know. We having to talking to an intervention right now. She looked like she had bottom right now. We try and talk to her and talk some sense into her. You feel me? She just want to take a good pound, and she just like it. She liked that pounding right there. I'm just going to lay it out. A lot of people looking for that pound. It's Casper. Ooh! You were down at 11.8. Oh! That's what's going on right now. I'm sorry. That's what people are doing right now. Look, it's going up right now. They go, it's happening right now. That's what's going on. And I am the detective turkey, and I will lay it out. This is what I see what is going on in the charts. Look, we caught the three-headed bandit right over here. We're the ones that caught the three-headed bandits. That's why you trust us. Yeah. The three-handed booty bandit. That's what that was. That was that butt cheek that's being spread. See? Uh-huh. And right here's the foot of the problem. You wanted us to find the foot of the problem, and right here it is for Caspa. That's it. Thank you. It's all right. We're glad to be of service. Yeah. Road Dog Crypto, we tell you what's really going on, not Team Evil. Crazy as that sounds. We're having fun. Hey, there's some good things to be coming out of here, Caspa, though. Be correct and under here. This pattern that we're in, this little local pattern, that's actually kind of bullish. We're kind of catching here. Can we get the music back? Sit daisy. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, everybody. Let's get in a little while. The dinglings. Oh, we had that on. So glittering marshmallow, thank you very much. How did you get green clouds on your charts? That green cloud is the Ichimoku. What is that? It's not that. That green cloud is the Ichimoku cloud indicator. You can go over to indicators on TradingView, or most of your crypto exchanges, they utilize TradingView or API to it, so you also access to a lot of these same indicators there. You don't have to subscribe to TradingView. There are usually sales around this time on TradingView. If you're interested in saving some money, it's a good thing to subscribe to if you're going to be serious about this. But the Ichimoku cloud, that's a standard indicator. You just come over here. Ichimoku cloud right there. And of course, I stripped it of all of its little lines it comes with, and I just have the cloud. And when you're below it, you're technically bearish. And by Ichimoku cloud theory and their strategy or whatever, if you're in the cloud, it's technically a no trade zone. You're not supposed to do anything. It's neutral. It could go either way. Technically, that's what their strategy is. I just noticed that most time when you get into the red cloud, it'll suck you in and then spit you out over. You'll go in through a red and you'll start floating over the little slivers of the green and start floating on to the right. Above being the green, that you're in a positive trend, and it just helps me just to remember where I am. The moving averages help me remember too. Help me kind of track the momentum, if you will. And it's kind of silly because in a way, the Ichimoku cloud is really just it's a calculation just 26 candles apart. Just it's kind of like a shadow in a way, but it's cool. But when they meet, well, then something's happening, and hopefully it's something good. If there's certain other circumstances around, right? It's a comfort. And right now we got a chance to be bottoming out here. Send me likes. We're 886 steep retracement. Now we're hanging out at a 786. We got home. We can see a bounce and start working its way up here. Looks like that's what it wants to do, in my personal opinion. Forecast, but working its way back up to about 13 cents, but it'll fight its way up. It'll be a struggle. Now, when she gets up to 14 or 15, ooh, I don't know what's going to happen there. It could be like the way she usually moves, it gets big, strong ones. So maybe we see something more like that. I would honestly, if we wanted to try to forecast something, let's take this bars pattern and let's substitute this inverted head and shoulders area. Kind of what we did over here. Let's just take that and let's just take a little bit and just kind of pretend we get something. We could see something similar along the lines of that. It makes sense because this also came back and retest. That makes sense that we would have something that would retest this area and before it moves even further and retest areas for you. So price action along the lines of something like that, it wouldn't be unheard of, or give us something to maybe guesstimate, and we can be ranging around 13 to 14 cents for a while. I have to say that, but it could be happening here. We're in the 4-hour chart, so that's what we got. But better that than dropping. We found a stopping point. It looks good. We just got to turn some things around. We got some work to do up here. That's what they've been doing over here, is working on it. We just got to go back, and we just established what we're doing is, yeah, you're establishing a new channel. That's probably a really good way to look at it, and seeing how it forms out. Not quite sewn on my angles in there, so she might have some work to do. She might want to come down here and give me another angle or something. So let's not jump just yet. But we should start seeing something happen here. Happy holidays, everybody. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I want to take a look at Bitcoin. Hanging out at 98,000. Good old Bitcoin. Let's see where we can go on some of these charts here. Where are we at? What is this Christmas tree looking thing over here? What the crap? Shoot is, I don't even know. What one is the left one? There's an arrow and there's what? I don't know. It looks like a bunch of nothing. You have to go somewhere. Oh, does this make more sense? Well, clearly that was a stopped out idea there if it was going to break out. You suck, roll dog, you sucky suck. She could go up, she could go down, or she could go sideways. We covered every one of them, and you know. Exactly as predicted. It could go up, it could go down, or it could go sideways, exactly as predicted. Like yethum. Shazamzy. We got arrows, we got a curvature. Hey, this curvy is happening in this little 90. What is this area? We're just looking at this chart. So I got some other charts that probably make a little bit better sense. What we were looking at recently. Different ideas here. We do have resistance ahead of us for Bitcoin, so I don't see it just being skyrocket. We're going to have to work our way up there, but we'll have our moments of glory and moments of moving up as Christmas goes through and we continue, I believe, for Bitcoin. Bitcoin under $100,000 is a treat, no matter how you look at it. We do have a W formation here, and they like to double up. That's what they like to do. So we got the possibility, ladies and gentlemen, of doubling up here. Coming up to this area, we're about 105, 106, I dare say, in that area. It could happen, I can say. And if you want to fib it out, it's what I do. The magic of the fibs. Freaky Friday. 786 likes that. I can't move it. It won't move. There it goes. About 105,000 ish. Nice Adam and Eve. Well, it looks like a penis in a ball sack. Hey, you're not supposed to say that on YouTube. Sorry, algorithm. I apologize for the beans and the, what was it? The beans in a paper sack comment that we just had there. Poke sack. I'm sorry. Poke sack. That's some kind of southern that's an Appalachian American term. A poke sack. Algorithm, I hope you typo, I hope you got that right. That was not penis in a ball sack. That was what was it? Beans in a poke sack. Beans in a poke sack. you have to clarify this stuff for the algorithm. I don't want to get all tied up in all that garbage and stuff. Jeez, that would just be a bunch of silliness over nothing. Beans and poke sack. It's Christmas. Beans and a poke sack. Buy yours today. Beans in a poke sack. Beans in a poke sack. Tickle yellow balls. He said it! Don't do it! Oh my god! It looks like to me that Bitcoin has a lot more yet to come, ladies and gentlemen. As we regain our strength and our stamina this week, this merry week, and head on to a happy new year coming in with Bitcoin. Feeling kind of frisky. My god, look how that's growing. Oh, Bitcoin got something. Dream on, dream on. I'm just saying. But we've been looking for something like that. Dionysus coming out to play here this Christmas holiday for Bitcoin. There is something to ponder there, but either way, you'll be looking at this. You could also be dragging that little guy down and you say, hey man, we've been in a channel this whole dang time. That's crazy. That's how'd you do that? I was like, no, seriously, how'd you do that? No, for real, for real. Really? The whole time. Why don't you got half a turkey head? Look, I'm gonna have a turkey. Oh my god, it's starting. Oh, I'm vanishing already. Oh, no, save some. Don't get the cranberry sauce. No. Just kidding. 22 wonderful people still here and can stand my weirdness. Thanks for hanging out this holiday. This turkey is thirsty. It needs to be basted. My goodness. Can we recover? Here on the 1 hour Bitcoin chart. Well, that means like maybe in the next few days for Christmas, what can we do? Could we get a Christmas pump? Hey, you know, I'm going to say we got a good chance to actually tap in 100,000 for Christmas. If I was going to predict anything, I would say that. We might actually get to 101. Call it smarty ass. I'm not saying that it's going to stick. I'm not saying that. But I think we got a good chance to do that. And I'll tell you why, because this is what you don't just speculate. You gotta have an argument. You gotta have a reason why you gotta do it. My goodness. I mean, it's like you're making a case before a judge here. I know she's got some work to do. She does, but she can come around. I tell you, she's a good one. Oh, Bitcoin. She had a way. She wanted to mess with the dingle dangles. No. You gotta get that dingle dangle. You be the one to get the dingle dangle. You lay the dingle dangle. Here's where you lay the dingle dangle in. So they're right. We going good. Roxanne. We saw Casper. Casper. Put your life together. Goodness gracious. Now, some people be telling you and selling the moon right now. They'll say, look at this big old pattern going to take us. I say, Casper going up to, what we in Bitcoin? We're going up to 803. And eventually we'll get there. We'll get there eventually, but maybe not tied to this particular move that we're doing right now. Who knows that we even do that? To make a sideways and then some. It could be doing just like a shoulder, head and shoulder to the upside. You know, you might have a little bit more of an argument more than that on this local time frame in this area for maybe make an argument for that. But the bigger picture remains, man. This big ass area that we need to hold is holding, and we got a hell of a lot more coming from Bitcoin as she's getting ready to go to a parabolic move, and this is not the one that you want to miss, ladies and gentlemen. So pack your bags, especially with Bitcoin. Your altcoins, now mileage may vary, but Bitcoin for right now, in my personal opinion, will steal the show. Well, thinker it lies, I believe in watching Bitcoin dominance, and you can never go wrong banking on Bitcoin. But if she does continue down, the more down she goes, we're going to be happy with altcoins. That's just the general rule. That's how you see the number they left for altcoins, and right now that looks like she wants to do on the daily. So I'm not going to bitch about that at all. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. I'm not gonna bitch about that at all. We got a rising wedge formation there. It could be coming down, and might even come back down to 55% for Bitcoin dominance, and we'd be cool with that. We'd be cool with that. At some point, that strength still looks good, though. She could just still keep going up through here. Who knows? We'll have to see. But any rejection of Bitcoin dominance is going to be good for all altcoins. So, total 3. What are you doing? What are you doing, girlfriend? I'm about to sneak out the window, Papa. I'm going out the window. Total 3. You see Casper. Carol, tell her how to sell that thing right. What the hell, Casper? Come on, you're better than that. Look, I'm sorry. Casper's doing good. Casper will do it. I'm not laughing at Casper. I swear to God, I'm not. I'm just like, man. Casper needs a good fair chance. Casper needs a good fair chance. It does. But the meme coin fiasco over there, it didn't do it many favors. It didn't help that much. I didn't think it would. I just really didn't. So total 3 looks kind of nice, and let's see. We did have that bearish cross here, so we got some negative headwinds here to deal with, but we got a chance to see some good things popping off. Eventually, though, we should be. We're bouncing off some good areas. This 382 Fibonacci for total 3, representing our altcoins. We should start seeing some good stuff happening. Better stuff than not. Even though you got a red dot there, be wary of the red dot. If you feel that things are going to start tanking, be wary of it. That's just the 4 hour though. What do you look like on the daily? Looks like we got a green dot. Does that mean a little anxiety from watching maybe too small time frames? Is that what's going on? That could be what's going on here. Oh. Well, just watch that 1 minute and it'll tell you what's going to happen in 3 weeks from now. Goodness gracious. My goodness. 4 hours, got some work to do here, but things look good overall. We're at a good area where they do like to try to flush us out every now and then, but the payday is going to be coming soon, ladies and gentlemen. And do try to get paid along the way. It will not all come at once. It's not like, oh, look, all my altcoins are up all today. Let's go and take profit on them. No, it'll be this little one, this little sector goes off. Oh my goodness. And you'll watch it and maybe take some profits and wait for it to go up higher. And then some other stuff will take off. You know, this one just kind of dwindle, and truth be told, it doesn't really do too much there on after, maybe a little bit, but nothing like what was there when you could have like really done a lot more. And you'll see that happen more often than not. I'm just being real with you. This is, and if you have a lot of coins, that could be a little bit more of an issue. I'm just being real with you. Unless you got some kind of layer out approach, a little bit at a time, you have to do that. That's a good one, I think. Take 5% out every month for your bigger long-term plays. At least. The grape juice is about over, ladies and gentlemen. The grape juice is about over. Again, we're looking at Bitcoin here, are we not? We're not. We're coming into some resistance here on the 1 hour. Let's go to a smaller time frame because why not? 15 minute. Oh my gosh, we're up there. I see what's going on this Christmas Eve. You heard it here. We had to break the news about what's going on in Casper. I told you. But it's not just Casper, it's Bitcoin too. Couldn't resist that temptation, could you? There, Yeah, I see. Well, the good thing is you're coming out on top of the devil. That's the good thing. So we're over here on our Lucy line here on the 15 minutes. See what's going on there. But I think we might have overcome Lucy. Looks like we're bouncing off of her one more time because we just had to go back and get that good stuff, didn't you? Oh my God. Hey, I don't mean to offend anybody. I don't know where this stuff is coming from. It's just for real. I don't know. This stuff is, so I don't know. Oh my God. God forbid anybody's are in these. Not trying to make fun of nobody. Emma. No, I'm not. But I'm just a turkey talking crypto. To people watching a turkey talking crypto on YouTube. Gobble, 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 gobble. Let's go. So can we find some support and break onto the other side? Now, I've been really surprised with a lot of other things that I've seen, especially on these smaller time frames with these setups that we've seen. Like when we're expecting these ribbons to flip, and by the ribbons, I mean all these moving averages that I've got. And I'm telling you, when they want to go for it, they go for it. Okay, we're sitting here thinking, okay, 800 moving average. I mean, this can be an idea. I find this idea in the back of my head. I'm just saying that this will be resistance, and because we're used to that in a more bearish part of the market, right? That's what we're used to. We're aware if you're doing this strategy or something like that. If you follow an 800 moving average strategy, you're just that being more of a resistance area and coming down and doing something that may happen. There's sides that could happen, but what we've been seeing a lot more lately is that it's saying, "Get ready for this." I'm going to translate directly, and this is not meant, but this is what the charts are saying. Hey, screw you. We do what we want, and when we do what we do, that's what's going on. And when we say we're going to go up, we're going to go up, and you're not going to stop us, and that's how it's going down. You got it? Because that's what is happening right now. It could be happening right now. What, you want to test me? You want to try me? I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm the turkey standing right in front of me right here. I'm saying, we're going up. Get ready for it. Don't fight it. You know you want it. You know you want it. You know you want some of this turkey. You know this turkey is juicy. You know you want to take a bite of it. I can tell. Oh my Lord, how did we get to this place in life? Well, Helen, Nancy Reagan had a slogan back in the 80s, right before she had a turkey massacre there at the White House that I'm just hadn't quite gotten over right now. Where the hell do you think I was going with that? Come on. Come on. My goodness. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how this mind works. Jesus. All right, could we be flagging to the upside because that seems to be trendy? We like that. We like trending to the upside. We might trend this weekend. We can see what I'm trying to say in the stupidest way ever is that, man, on the smaller time frames, we've seen some really good results out of price action with these moving averages, even though they're flipped to the negative, right? With the momentum that we're building up coming around here, especially with the help from the other, if you want to look at my patterns that we're working out of and patterns within patterns and overall shapes, kind of fill in the current, if you will. We're turning it around, right? This is a good area for a nice shoot up, and I mean a nice shoot up. So, gosh darn it, maybe that big old bar will work out. Put a magnifying glass over it, it might look like it. 103,000. Can you do it? You might do it. You might. And higher. And higher. What happens usually, especially with these formations, is that they test these areas right above so they can shoot up. And here's some other areas to look for. There's a support resistance looping over here about 103,500 ish right in there. Draw it. Put your money on it. Go ahead. Draw it. Who the hell? There's a new voice in now. My goodness. Oh. Say it, don't spray it. Don't you go yeller. Look in there. What? Oh no, somewhere through there. Would be a nice little area to bump our head and get some resistance on. Anywhere up through here because we have a bigger trend line. But I see on smaller time frames, we've had a lot of good chances to do that. I don't know that we would. Normally, we don't look for that to happen. But hey, man, we're looking like we're trying to get a Christmas miracle. Let's keep our fingers crossed here. We can bounce out of this little nasty green cloud and do something good on Christmas. Because we got to start something, a little Santa sprinkle goodness. Why am I not on the screen the whole way, dude? For real, what's up with that? Hey, man. Hey, man. Here it is. Woo! Guys, thanks for hanging out with me so much. I'll see you on the flip side. Bitcoin looks nice and jolly. Yeah, altcoin bag should start improving here. If we look over here on the weekly, Fartcoin is giving us a good wave move. Is also leading the way. Fartcoin on the daily. Oh my God, it's like $1.19 right there. People love their Fartcoin. Can't get enough Fartcoin. Love that Fartcoin. Did you get any Fartcoin for Christmas? It's the gift that everybody is talking about. It's like, hey, you're holding some Fartcoin? What? What are you talking about? Yo, I mean, you got Fartcoin. You got some Fartcoin? Hey, me? Yeah, you, man. You got some Fartcoin? You gonna tell mama? I ain't gonna tell mama. You got some Fartcoin? Tell me. Hey. You know I got some Fartcoin. I know you got some Fartcoin. Oh, yeah, you got some Fartcoin. You got some Fartcoin. I know you do. Anyway, happy Fartcoin. We likes it. Oh my goodness. Look, here we are on the hour. Have you seen Aave? You see Maker? You see all these things popping up right now? Merry Christmas, people. Your crypto status should be a lot more merry, a lot more happier than what it was back in the dreary summertime. The summertime blues are over and we got the winter Christmas delight going on right now so far. Be blessed. It's not too much to get you too elated to move on. It's just right to say, hey, baby, things can get good and they can get better. Let's see if we can navigate this market a little wisely. Get them bills paid off, baby. That's what you gotta do. You gotta get out of that credit. You gotta get out of debt. That man got his foot on your neck. Anybody that's got a bill over you, them credit cards, you know what I'm talking about. I know, sister, you gotta do something about that. Debit cards, man. You can work debit cards with crypto like, oh my God. It's perfect. It's like, oh my gosh. You are your own. They say you're your own bank. That's what they say. They say you're your own bank. The world's open to you, ladies and gentlemen. You're at the right time, and you're at the right time to accumulate a nice big amount of wealth for you and your family, and to change it, and maybe even enough this cycle. And
Merry Christmas, everybody.
if not this one, then maybe part of the next one to get some generational wealth to really make an impact on your family lives and others. And the world seems to be in a good direction, I believe, as people are starting to more take control and getting back to the ways that make sense and some more traditional guidelines, because you can be however you want, right? But everybody can't be all that. You have to have a good structure, and well, today we celebrate the source of that structure. May not be his actual birthday, but gosh darn it, we do celebrate it on this day. It does have kind of a wild history. But either way, it does symbolize the coming of the sun. Merry Christmas. Good night.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag? I got racks in my sack, her in my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.